Our modern world is a fascinating tapestry woven from threads of convenience and innovation. From the smartphones we carry in our pockets to the cars we drive, everything around us is becoming cheaper, smaller, and smarter. This transformation is largely driven by the factory, an engine of modern manufacturing that fuels our consumption and shapes our lives in ways we often take for granted. Consider the impact of modern manufacturing. It has not only provided us with the means to enjoy our daily comforts, but has also enabled us to wage wars on an unprecedented scale. Yet, it has also propelled us into a future where we can explore the cosmos. The synchronous interaction between humans and machines defines our age, allowing us to achieve feats that were once the stuff of dreams. Take the age of flight, for example. It all began with the Wright brothers, whose groundbreaking invention opened the skies to humanity. Fast forward to today, and the commercial aviation industry has exploded, with billions of passengers taking to the air each year. However, this journey hasn't been without its challenges. We've faced tragic crashes and the devastating impacts of the pandemic, which shook the very foundations of air travel. The emergence of the jet engine was a game changer. It allowed planes to soar higher and faster than ever before, transforming air travel into a global phenomenon. The Boeing 747, often dubbed the jumbo jet, revolutionized the industry by making air travel accessible to the masses. Just think about it. A single aircraft can carry hundreds of people across continents in mere hours, a feat that would have seemed impossible just a century ago. But what goes into manufacturing these incredible machines? It's a colossal effort that involves thousands of skilled workers and cutting-edge technology. The jet engine itself is a marvel of engineering, designed with precision to withstand extreme conditions while delivering unparalleled performance. Each component is meticulously crafted, ensuring that when we take to the skies, we do so with safety and reliability. Looking ahead, the future of flight technology is brimming with possibilities. Researchers are exploring new propulsion methods, including plasma thrusters, which could one day take us further into space than we've ever ventured. The Artemis program, for instance, aims to send humans back to the moon, a testament to our relentless pursuit of exploration and innovation.